Impugn order dated 31/7/2009 is set aside and passed.
Highly obliged.
Writ petition stands allowed. Dismiss. What mention on open game? What mention?
Let's try victim into item number 14. For daily list for motion. But my colleague Mr. R. Bora has his trip, but his mother fell ill, my lord. So he had to rush back to Kabi Anglong. 14.
Okay, so you do not want a notice and stay. Okay.
I don't have a
On the,
brief
on
hand,
the prayer of the learned counsel, Mr. D. Gogoi, matter stands adjourned and be listed
any day, my lord, not
after vacation.
after.
After.
But I beg to mention item number 73. 73 supply, my lord. I am not pressing this.
Okay. Not present.
73.
I beg to mention item number 54 of the hearing. My colleague Mr. Chaudhary is there. He also has some personal health issues. 54. He is for the petition.
It's a part third method.
His son is, my lord, I have been allowed with it. Not today, maybe some other day.
Okay. The learned it is submitted by Mr. D. Gogoi that the arguing counsel Mr.
B. Chaudhary.
B. Chaudhary on behalf of the APDCL is not keeping well accordingly an adjournment is not prayer is allowed. List of the vacation.
Published, my lord.
May I please, my lord. My lord, I beg to mention item number 42, my lord. In this case, my CD has not been received, my lord. Let the matter be come after vacation, my lord.
42.
My lord.
Yes.
Put it.
CD is there.
It is not available.
Any interim?
My lord, interim continue.
After vacation.
Yes. Give a date.
Obliged.
On
My-
15/11.
15/11. Interim to continue.
My lord. Obliged.
I beg to mention for listing of an anticipatory bail petition, my lord.
There is a standing order. All bail applications subject to having relevance to this bench are allowed.
Tomorrow.
But you'll have to write down that it pertains to this bench. And if we see that it is not, then we will take action. Yes.
May I please,
Yes.
Lordship, listing of a criminal appeal, Lordship, on Friday.
Criminal
13.
appeal, I think you'll have to go to the senior bench.
Senior bench, I think Madam is Honorable Justice Nandi is not sitting today.
Not sitting today.
Yes, Lordship. This is the reason I'm mentioning before, Lordship. On Friday, Lordship. Deeply obliged.
Can it be to Thursday?
Yes, Lordship.
Thursday, not Friday.
12.
Maybe if I beg to mention item number 48, my lord.
40?
It is not received, my lord. 48.
It is not available, Lordship.
On 15/11.
Any interim?
No, my lord. Before
When?
petition, my lord, anything.
Lordship, then on 17.
17.
All right.
No interim.
48.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention in respect of the item number 75 of supply list, Lordship. That the affidavit CD was called for, and I have come to know that affidavit.
Yes, yes.
Lordship, affidavit CD was called for 75.
One of that, it is located-
74 is also there.
Yes.
You wait,
That's the series,
you wait,
Lordship.
you wait.
Lordship,
You are making mention for 75 or 74?
75.
What about 74?
all are
I-
taken together.
Take together
Take
70.
So let, they might have something to say. They may not seek an adjournment.
Yes.
Only the case that they are submitting the
We'll
case that
we'll
is
see, let the matter be called
Yes,
for.
sir.
violent.
We'll adjourn when matter is called.
Lordship,
Please, please, Lordship. My lord, I beg to mention item number 79, my lord.
79.
I have to vote for this.
Withdraw.
Yes.
Some extension of time.
Yes, ma'am.
May please, your lordship. Lordship of document item number 31. CD is not available.
Interim or assembly?
Interim.
Interim petitioner is on interim lordship.
31, no?
CD on 1611.
1611. File hoga hai.
Oblige, ma'am. May please, your
Yes,
lordship.
Majan.
Victim is on 45. Ma'am.
45.
Can you come up in next week or any date? Ma'am?
Otherwise, CD is available.
The interim
It is available.
Yes.
There's some personal difficulty on my part.
What difficulty?
Some
All
instruction,
Mahajans are sitting in front.
some instruction will be some instruction will be required. Ma'am. Can it be
Instruction.
on Friday, ma'am?
Okay.
On Friday, ma'am.
Not Friday, Thursday.
That's my
Thursday.
And 12.
there's an interim order.
12 10.
Interim to continue.
Oblige.
Why you want to withdraw?
Party 1, 2, 3.
This party want to withdraw business will be over after Bihu. Puja.
Puja.
This party want to withdraw business will be over and proceeding under provision of 151 or 151 will start the case of perjury, making false wrong statement that no bail application is pending. After puja, this party's instruction will go. Dismissal will be. This is for all. Will not spare anybody.
Oblige, ma'am.
Yes,
Why not? Here, my lord, protection, my lord. Before committee,
son.
no, my lord, withdrawal, my lord.
Yes.
And your lord, withdrawal. Lordship 69, lordship, charge sheet has been filed.
Can to withdraw it.
Lordship. Oblige.
Withdraw simply. Madam, yesterday that
Yes.
matter,
Yes.
you said there was a charge sheet file.
Yes.
Number was
Yes.
not there. Then the other council we met and I fixed it on 10th. On that day you have
Lordship, I
the,
have already confirmed that already CS has been filed and I have collected the number. Okay.
yes, item number.
My lord, in this case, the petition was arrested on, my lord, 23/7/2023. And FIR is page 9. And similar,
To the satisfaction of
my lord,
To the satisfaction
CJ
of-
Morigaon.
Morigaon.
CGM Mori.
Hello.
Five eleven.
CD.
Before vacation 18, my lord, from
We do
Naga,
not know CD.
from Naga only, near
18, no,
Ask. her.
18.
I am on.
CG will be referred.
My lord, all respect on 302, my lord. Yes,
CD.
Yes.
sir. My lord.
When
Lordship, on 19.
19.
we
Oblige.
arrested on 38.
My lord, my
Yes.
Okay, we'll see on 19.
my lord. Oblige, ma'am.
CG along with post.
No, please, sir.
Yes.
In this case, lordship, this, previously the petitioner has approached before this novel court,
Hmm.
and there was a direction at page number 20, lordship. He approached 21, he approached before the jurisdictional court.
Mm.
Accordingly, the petitioner has appeared before the court,
Mm.
the annexed court,
Mm.
the application was there.
Mm.
By this order, that page number 23,
Mm.
the lordship can see the second paragraph. Is that he
Where is
considered
the earlier order?
earlier this, the order is at page number 20, lordship, the operative portion is at page number 21. Charge sheet number such and such dated has been laid against the petitioner, the petitioner liberty to approve the learned jurisdictional court and apply for bail within 15 days.
Bail is regular bail.
Yes.
Where is the question of 438 now?
Uh,
Rightly rejected.
Yes.
And accordingly, so here in this case, lordship, annex the copy of the charge sheet. There is no specific, this,
You file a wrong application.
Yes.
You file regular bail, let us,
Before the trial
let
court,
him,
yes.
let him,
Because the petitioner has been declared as the absconder.
we do not know.
This is the charge sheet. If your lordship kindly see the contents of the charge sheet, there is no specific allegations against the petitioner, no incriminating materials against the petitioner. Only
We
this
found incriminating,
accused
we-
number one.
It was already rejected.
this is not a case for 438.
Yes. Already charge sheet has been filed.
Taking into consideration this the charge sheet law, there is nothing against the petitioner law. The accused number one is the main person who has committed the particular. Only the 120, the criminal conspiracy, and there is no material on record which is show that there is some criminal conspiracy on the part of the.
So you are rejecting it. Or you file a application, what is directed in the earlier. A 430 application is closed. And again you file a 430 application before the session by the High Court. Why will not be rejected? File a proper application. Want a rejection or withdrawal? To file a regular bail application.
Lordship may person out.
Will pass, dismiss. We should be approved.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, this is 438 lordship. Here, lordship, initially case was registered under 406 and 420 lordship. That time this petitioner approached before this honorable court and honorable court granted bail. That is on page 14 and 15 lordship. 14 and 16.
Hmm.
All the co-accused named in the FIR, they got the anticipatory bail lordship.
Hmm.
Since the case was registered 420 and 406 lordship.
Hmm.
Thereafter, lordship, the IO has made during investigation, I has made a trial lordship. That lordship will find on page 25 to add section 376 lordship.
That was rejected.
Yes, lordship, that was rejected on page 26 lordship.
Hmm.
Now, lordship, subsequently, lordship, charge sheet has submitted adding 376 lordship. Now, lordship, since I am protected under 406 and 420 lordship, the 376 protection is not there, lordship. So on my appearance, lordship, he will be detained since lordship CGM has no power.
Heard Mr. Chaudhary, Lanet Council Court of Petitioner, registry to call for the
Scan for
scan copies of
health.
the
PRC case number
scan
LCR.
copies of the proceeding of PRC case number 249/2023 and the case diary
Yes.
in connection with
in
case diary of
case diary of lordship. Now it is PRC case lordship.
no.
Bhangnamari
Case number
26 of the 21.
21.
Uh-huh.
Bhangnamari case number 21 of the
Angnamari.
Yes.
Yes, case number
21 of the
26
2021.
of the
2020.
21.
Considering the matter in entirety, in the interim, the NBWB, it's available or okay,
Yes, lordship, it is available.
okay. Till considering the matter in entirety, till the receipt of such kind of the petitioner, it is provided that the petitioner shall not be arrested.
Highly obliged. My lord, the FIR is
Okay,
a case eight.
CD.
Along with the injury report.
Huh?
Along with the injury report.
Only skill loss if he has lost his FIR.
What?
Only to save his own skill loss if he was caught in red-handed along with a woman.
Oh, who are you? Model police.
No, lordship.
Huh?
My lord, we are the villagers. lordship.
Whosoever does whatever inside a room, who are you? You want a protection?
My lord,
Why don't you arrest these people? She left the husband
Why?
6 months ago. Then she came back. Again, she is maintaining a relation. Let the husband
no.
file a divorce petition. Who are you?
My lord, it's no,
Want a rejection
no, lord.
right now?
No, lord.
CD
City 811. No.
811.
Obliged.
Yes,
Well,
Chaudhary.
second application, not considering the stage of investigation, I pray for
These people should not be protected.
Only
It
thing
is
is,
very bad.
only thing is, my lord, whether my lord, any case is pending against him.
No, not only that. Not only that.
Because
Many people have said how he is blackmailing people in the name of a journalist.
but only
Not
thing,
only one. I still recall.
only thing is, my lord, in this is allegation, man. Whether custodial detention is necessary or not.
May be necessary, then they will find out whom you have, an other person you have blackmailed.
Other person already stated in the, my lord,
There may be some other also. CD. You are here because that's why it's
I'm obliged, okay.
9/11 law.
9/11. We have granted your brother. He was not in.
May please, your lordship.
Yes, sir.
Heavy application, my lord.
CD interim within 10 days,
Obliged.
21/11 law.
21/11.
May it please your lord. Lordship, here, lordship, the FIR law.
Let a report be there.
Yes.
This is an application of consent bench. The investigating officer to submit a report of whether the further Jimma of the vehicle
Yes,
Yes,
lordship,
sir.
auto car law,
required or not. We'll see on the next.
before vacation law. It's the auto
Before
car law.
vacation
It's not
possible.
possible. So many
Lordship,
cases are
only
placed on
let's
next page.
try
law.
lordship on 18 lordship. Try on.
You can try. But before vacation, there will be rush.
Yes.
Because that is the only.
It's up to her. I don't have any problem. If you give 100 meters, will try no.
19 law.
19.
Obliged, lord.
May I please,
Yes.
my lord, criminal petition for Imma.
Lordship, in the earlier occasion, a report was
Ha,
called from
ha.
the IO lordship.
Have you got
So
it?
a report is there, but that is not sufficient. We have already talked with the IO right now. lordship.
Ah.
Just after some time, if he's
Okay. After some time. Not after some time. Let us complete this
Yes.
bail motion matter,
Lordship.
bail matters.
May I please, Lord? My lord, this is matter, my lord, for questioning of the FIR, my lord. An FIR has been registered against, my lord, an inquiry, my lord, report.
Why should we pass it?
My lord, this finding in the inquiry report, my lord, this is wrong, my lord. Because here they are saying that the certificate, my
No,
lord,
no. Whether it is right or wrong, can we decide it?
Not.
The investigating officer goes and says that you are a fake doctor and declare you to be an allopathic doctor. And whether you are in a doctor of allopathic medicine.
No.
You are saying this is not absolutely incorrect. I am not using. Can 482 court decide?
no, my lord, my only prayer is, my lord. Now they are saying, my lord, I am not coming that their allegation is that I have prescribed a medicine, my lord, prescribed medicine, my lord.
Is
Yes, my lord, only one medicine, my lord, in the FIR. Now, against-
schedule 8 medicine you are prescribed.
Yes, my lord, this is the allegation, my lord. Now, my lord, against that FIR, my lord, inquiry has been done.
Hmm.
And the inquiry report, my lord, they find nothing, only saying that the certificate which I have,
No.
lord.
Inquiry report, if you can come
my
to
lord,
page
pays, my lord,
20.
25,
25.
my lord, the operative part. Lord, inference, my lord.
No, kindly come to page 25.
25, my lord.
The alleged person Sumon Bhomik, alias S. Prokasto, has been practicing in allopathic medicine as a doctor, like other general medical petitioner, only after pursuing bachelor degree in alternate medicine.
Yes.
Now you say that this is not correct. How will you decide? We will have to
My lord,
bring your patient to the witness
No, my lord,
box.
come to the, my lord, last part, my lord.
Yes.
Whether the course that he has completed
Hmm.
is recognized or not can be commented only after obtaining report from the Indian Council of Medical officially.
Ah,
My lord, Indian Council and alternative medicine are not same, my lord. Now, Indian Council, my lord, Indian Council of Medicine, my lord, cannot, my lord, recognize the alternative medicine, my lord.
so therefore, let the investigation proceed. They may
Yes.
come and say that, oh no, you are a genuine doctor, you have a right. to
Now,
practice
my lord,
allopathy.
their findings, my lord, kindly see. Where they, my lord, search this, my lord. However, the registration number found in the registration certificate issued by the Indian Board of Alternative Medicine is verified. So online doctor verification portal of Council of Alternative Medicine.
Okay, we'll.
My
pass it.
lordship, may I will show you.
Yes.
Now they are searching that they are
Where-
my lord, verified.
Under which act? Alternate medicine and under which council is the statutory provision. So
My lord, this is the alternative, my lord, medicine council is there, my lord. Not.
under what statute? Act
My-
of Parliament,
Yes.
Act
No, my
of
lord, till
legislation.
date, my lord, till date, there is no
Ah,
apex body.
ah.
That is correct. My lord, I am
If
not
that
on that,
is
my lord.
correct-
Now their allegation is that I am practicing allopathy. That is totally wrong, my lord. I am not practicing allopathic, my lord.
Can I decide whether
No,
that is
my lord,
right
that
or
is
wrong?
not. That is correct, my lord.
If that is correct, I am dismissing your petition.
No, my lord, their
Right
findings,
now
my
or
lord.
after vacation?
My lord,
Tell us.
I am questioning about their verification, my lord. They verified this on the wrong portal, my lord. Already my verification is already, active in the, my lord.
Okay, forget about them. Show me any statutory provision under which you can practice alternate medicine.
My-
Show us.
My lord, there is no apex body as well as there is
If
no.
there is no
statutory-
apex body, you
But my
will,
lord, in
you will
India-
pass from some institution that alternate medicine and practice in a village. How, under what authority you have written as doctor so and so, so and so?
My lord, as far
And
as-
these poor people are coming to and you are prescribing schedule H drug.
No, my lord, that
This is not a
this
case
is
of
the
pass.
allegation, my lord.
Okay, Hargo.
My lord, only thing, my lord, this, my lord, report. Now, on the basis of this report, my lord, police have registered the case.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, this is the better decide to, after the inquiry, my lord, that is correct. But only thing is that they are finding, my lord, the finding they have said that the documents and the registration, my lord, number of the petitioner is wrong. Now, they search this and they verify. it on
What
the-
wrong? There is no existence of something. What? Why they are investigating? They are idiots. That's why investigation.
No, my lord.
Right or wrong? What right or wrong? There must something must exist. Then there will be question of right or wrong will
But
come.
my lord, the certificate which is issued, my lord, from the institution from which I have, my lord, procured this, my lord, or my
Show
lord, I have-
us, please show us.
my lord, that's
in
why
a-
I'm saying, my lord, it is online already available, my lord.
No, under what statute?
My lord, that is,
Act of
my lord,
Parliament,
in India,
Act
my
of
lord,
State
I-
Legislature.
till date, my lord, India, there is no statute regarding alternative
So
medicine.
then we
But
will
it
not,
is
we are
allowed to
that
practice, my
court
lord.
cannot recognize it.
My lord, it is allowed to practice because my lord, it is already practicing in the society, my lord, regarding this. My lord, even the physiotherapy is also come under alternative medicine, my lord.
Show us
So we
under where is the definition?
Then, my lord, on the next date, my lord, I will check.
Where is the definition? That alternative medicine is this.
Yes.
There is no requirement of any statutory provision and therefore we can practice and we can write doctor and may prescribe schedule H, C and C and C
No, my
plus
lord, that
drug.
is correct. We cannot prescribe allopathic medicine, my lord. But
And
we
that
can
is the allegation. Can
That
we
is the
decide that you have
allegation,
not?
yes.
My lord, that allegation, the foundation of that allegation is wrong. That is why I am before this court, my lord. Because they are searching in a wrong portal and saying that my qualifications are, my lord, false and, my lord, false document. Only to that extent, my lord, I want to prove that these certificates are not false.
You proved that during that. That I have the authority under this, what is called
My lord, the next,
National Commission of Alternative Medicine.
but it is come under
Creation
paramedic.
of by act of Parliament. This is the issue. This is the rule.
My lord, the next date, my lord, I'll satisfy. Lord.
That is what I propose. You want a dismissal right now or
No,
after vacation?
After vacation, my lord.
After vacation.
Public.
So
2011.
this letter will be passed for the time being, ma'am. 11 and 12, ma'am, for the time being, ma'am. Senior counsel, Mr. Hector, for the release.
Not time being. It is on next Monday.
On Monday. Ma'am, time.
Too many methods are here. Time being is not possible. Yes. On next Monday. Come prepared.
Allow
Come prepared properly. That is the indication. Item
13.
non appears to application or all reach the upper.
May I please,
Therefore, this is not a case to be taken up before vacation.
Lordship, they did a very, your Lordship, order taking cognizance and the charge, your Lordship, is palpably, your Lordship, illegal, your Lord. Your lordship will kindly come to your lordship.
PFI is a banned organization.
No, maybe your lordship, but your lordship, section 45 says your lordship, no port can take cognizance without the prior sanction of the central government and the state government, your lordship.
Okay, that
There's a
is okay.
sanction is not there, your lordship. We have specifically asked your lordship, and your lordship, the learned court below, your lordship, what he did, your lordship, he referred to a particular judgment of the Honorable Apex Court, which has no relation with the sanction, your lordship.
You are
Your
Zakir Hussain.
lordship.
So far relating to Abu Sama, there is no material. I thought that you are relying on the material. But
No,
so far,
material is the
so
second
far
part.
relating to you, there are some material that some documents and something, you are the secretary of your those are.
No, your lordship.
But if you are on technical grounds, show us
No,
that.
and secondly, your lordship, I am not that Zakir. There are two Zakirs, your lordship.
Okay.
I am the Zakir, your lordship, against those 30 was filed under section 13, your lordship, by the Honorable Learned Trial Court, your lordship, while framing charge, that shows non-application of mine, your lordship, frame charge under
Where is
10,
the,
13.
where is the order?
Order is at page, your lordship, 89,
And it's a fact.
annexure 5.
Yes, madam. Are you ready?
That's it.
Or you want?
Tomorrow is
These
the
are
date,
sensitive
your
cases, huh?
lordship, for date fixed for evidence, your lordship.
Okay.
The learned advocate for the accused has submitted that in the
Where
search
is 80?
page 89, your lordship.
So let it be on tomorrow, not,
Tomorrow,
yes.
page 89.
Lordship. The third paragraph.
What is your ground?
My basic ground is your lordship, the
No, non-sanction of central government.
lordship. No
Okay,
sanction.
we'll take up it tomorrow.
Lord.
Non-sanction by central government under section
45, your lord.
45 UAPA
UAP, your lord.
and
That is the primary ground.
no, primary ground.
And secondly, your lordship,
Not
merit.
merit, nothing is there.
Absolutely nothing, your lord.
Those 161 statement,
Yes, I have an.
if we take it to be absolutely
Absolutely.
correct, then also there is nothing. Okay. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Obliged.
I'm actually sorry, my lord. Item number 13. 13, my lord, I was out there. But may take my.
Yeah, that has done. You
After some time, may take my.
please don't make a mention while matters are going on. This is repeatedly I am telling.
Or any other date. Let me.
Can't you wait for some time that matters are over and you make a mention at one or at one? Can you jump like this? There should be a decorum in the court.
Any date.
You have missed it, you have missed it. We can accommodate it if you come after the matters are over or at the time of rising at one.
I was just sitting one time.
No, that is not the issue.
Display was saying, but.
That is not the issue. Issue is you will not allow any, you will come and say that, oh, I have missed my number.
At 2 p.m.
We do not know. You should know doing cases in the courts, what is the procedure?
My lord, second application, my lord. But my lord, with all respect, my lord, there is a difference, my lord. Whatever has been stated in
Second application rejected by whom?
by your lordships. There, my lord, what has happened, my lord, regarding two vehicles that I repossess them. I never repossess them, my lord. It is in the possession of Thana, my lord. Seized in connection with some other case, substance abuse. Very unfortunate. My lord, even if your lordship calls for that, I'll be obliged, my lord. And that report, my lord. Can it be on 19th, my lord, with all respect? And that report, my lord, there are vehicles are not with me, my lord, with the Thana itself, my lord.
But the way you have tortured Len and all,
Lordship,
the lady.
Lordship, with all respect, my lord. Lordship, kindly bear with me. We have annexed
This
certificate.
poor fellow.
Yes, my lord. Had it been true, yeah, I feel also, my lord. But my lord, the two vehicles, not exaggeration, falsehood, two vehicles that I repossessed, absolutely untrue, my lord. It is with the.
Okay, we'll call for the case.
Can a report be sought for, my lord, regarding the vehicles, my lord, from the
Okay, along with a report regarding
the vehicle and scooter, my lord.
regarding the vehicle
In question,
vehicle and scooter in which question,
exactly.
which are stated to be
In-
forcefully possessed by the accused.
To that effect, my lord, exactly. Highly obliged.
Lordship, time for the information. A copy of the order may be furnished.
Huh? Copy of the order. Okay,
It is-
copy of the order.
Copy.
Oh, highly obliged.
Lordship, date was not fixed.
That reflects the shape of the economy.
My lord, my lord.
Date-
My lord, only 9.
Ask her.
Yeah,
We'll try, Lordship.
right, right. Highly obliged.
Maybe the lordship.
72, what is this? What is this?
Lordship, FIR lordship is 8 lordship.
Motion of what?
Motion.
So 302
Motion bail.
anticipatory bail.
Phase 8 is the FIR lordship.
302 is involved.
FIR lordship.
302 is involved, but
The matter is that lordship.
He's the
informant
fine and
lordship,
accused
he is a
person.
direct addicted lordship. And he found senseless thereafter, lordship, they said that they go to the medical and doctor said he died. And FIR itself says lordship is 9, that I have some personal enmity. That's why I may be involved there, but only this is the elevation one. And actually, he's a direct addicted person, lordship. He also took injection.
what information they have found? That is the issue.
He's the sole accused.
Understand? Forcefully causing, he has died out of overdose. Interim. CD interim, go and give a statement.
Clear, lordship.
Maybe 302.
Yes. On 22nd 11.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
39 application, my lord, it is certificate case, my lord.
Hmm.
On earlier occasion, LCR has received, my lord.
LCR call for and receive.
Received. FIR is page 17, my lord.
FIR is
Page 17.
offenses under
302.
302, initially 325 and 307, later on 302 added. Their own brothers, my
you are Biju.
Bisu Soikia.
Biju.
They are all alcohol at time of incident. So you may kindly come to 160 on a statement only for 3 persons. In page number 28, this is the complainant.
Just a minute, just
Lord.
how many witnesses are examined?
Altogether, my lord, 6 now, my lord. And
How
the
many total?
trial is going on, my lord, out of
How many total witnesses?
lordship.
Two eyewitnesses
Yes,
specifically.
very
Better be here. Specifically, two witnesses implicated you.
out of 10, man.
Huh?
Yes, like,
Specifically, who are eyewitness.
who I have.
And then the injury is corroborated by the postmortem.
Yes.
Then what more is required?
This is true, my lord. Lordship,
If it is true, be there. There may be, you might have a ground of 304 be sudden quarrel. not 302.
304.
You have that defense, whether you have cross-examined to that effect.
Lordship, at the time of filing petition.
I have flag marked the nothing.
In certain cases, you will have to take bold stand. Yes, I hit him. Total case of denial.
And
Your defense ought to have been,
cross also, my lord. Not.
that is the difficulty. Certain cases, you will have to be bold.
And
This is not a
eyewitness,
case for bail.
very specific eyewitness. my lord.
Specific, absolutely.
Lordship, if Lordship kindly the one.
At this stage, you withdraw at this stage. We'll take, let some other witnesses be examined. How many witnesses are there?
10.
10. How many
Six.
examined?
6.
6.
all are saying that they are the quarrel, man. Every witness,
Everybody, and they saw it
they saw it.
because it was some 31st, like
Yes,
something
my
like
New
that.
Year party, my lord,
First January.
and the party.
And one witness says there was a quarrel, and you are not taking the defense that there was a sudden quarrel
Yeah.
and it a single blow.
One blow
Nothing is there.
and right.
Ultimately, it will be come to us and try there to be it's a part
Part two.
part two. Withdraw it. Okay. The learned counsel for the petitioner submit that she may be permitted to withdraw the present application at this stage and to approach this course if so advised. Prayer is allowed. Accordingly, the bail application is closed with the liberty to approach this court at a later stage.
Public.
On 19th 9, my lord, Person Maluku directed for LCR.
Healthcare, I have not
statement was
received, my
received.
lord.
But the communication letter I have seen in the file, my lord, it is sent on 5/10 only. That's why it is not, he's
Ah.
jailed for 2 years almost, my lord. And default bill is also entitled, my lord. He's very poor, nobody.
Default bail
Yes, my
after
lord.
search it.
Yes. Plus, but he is very poor, could not engage in advocate.
That is
It was
different.
submitted the court seen it on 114 days. After
What
114,
is the offense?
302 only, my
302 only.
Only
Where are we in style?
lord. 34 or he is not there, my lord. The 120B is not there. That I want to say, my lord. 120B is not there.
302.
My lord, the 120B is not there.
We have
34 is not
committed
there.
a mistake. Okay, we'll give a last chance to it. Otherwise, in a 302, you
My
are
lord,
behind bar.
My lord,
This
may
is
it be,
not done.
my lord, may it be before vacation or not.
before vacation.
Because
Everybody
only
wants before
Come
vacation.
from metro, my lord, only 400 yards.
Everybody wants. Is it possible, humanly possible for a judge to do all these cases? You are how many years you are inside? Immediately on reopening.
Oblige, your lord.
The office note reflects that. Office note dated 5/10/2020 reflects that the requisition for scan copies were made on 5/10/2023 only, though the order was passed on 19/9/2020. Registry accordingly list this matter on
The reopening day.
reopening day.
Reopening or 2 days.
2 days because there will be also vacation.
Yes, my
When 8/11.
Oblige.
Me.
It is there, Borua.
Yeah, that is.
There is also only. There is also only 302. Yes.
My lord, he has been named in the FIR, lordship.
Ah.
But as per the case diary, lordship, there are some witnesses, lordship, there are eyewitness and one statement also recorded, lordship. They have specifically, my lord, mentioned the name of 4 persons who has assaulted the victim, lordship.
What about the informant?
On the informant, lordship, there is no such, my lord, implication by the witnesses, lordship.
No,
Although
no, no,
witnesses
no.
said that there are other-
What is the statement of the informant?
My lord.
The wife, because she is the eyewitness.
Yes, yes, my lord.
What is her statement?
Yes. My lord, it is Kustumi Boru, lordship. My lord, he has mentioned that জমিত কাম কৰি থকা অৱস্থাত মই এজাহাৰত উল্লেখ কৰা দুৰ্বৃত্ত কেইজনে উক্ত জমিত অনাধিকাৰে প্ৰৱেশ কৰি কোনো কথা বতৰা নোহোৱাকৈ তেওঁলোকৰ হাতত লৈ অহা কাঠি, জোং, দা, কুঠাৰ আৰু লোহাৰ ৰডেৰে মোৰ স্বামীক প্ৰাণে মৰাৰ বাবে আক্ৰমণ কৰে আৰু উক্ত আক্ৰমণৰ ফলত মোৰ স্বামী গুৰুতৰভাৱে জখম হয়। পিছত আৰক্ষীয়ে GMCHত লৈ যায় তেওঁক মৃত বুলি ঘোষণা কৰে।
Then,
He has implicated all the accused persons in the FIR.
and who are the eyewitnesses?
My eyewitnesses, lordship,
He is
there one
also an eyewitness.
Chandan Narjari, lordship.
Ah.
Then one Raneshwar Bosumotari.
Give me the CD.
My lord. I have checked my table 164/7 as well as the other statement.
May
Yes.
I, Lordship, here petitioner is representing a club and their petitioner is a member of a club, Lordship, of that area. What has happened on that day, Lordship? There was some land
What
dispute.
is the name? What is the name of this accused?
Subhajyoti.
Subhajyoti Kaur.
Kaur. He stands in the 9th place in the and this
He has been named in the FIR.
the 9th
there.
place, Lord. So what has happened, Lordship?
No, Mr. Borua.
My lord.
They have no, they have said only we could identify this person.
My lord, there
They
are
have not
other,
said that he is not there.
they said there are.
They said
other
we could
persons.
identify some person only.
Yes.
So these some persons are 3-4 persons.
People.
They are not saying that the other persons were not there. And the wife says, I saw him. They are not saying that only this person. They said that some people, amongst them, we can identify Omit, Orun, Romit, Dhunu and Rahul.
These are the persons who was assaulted, Lord.
Huh?
There are other witnesses also, Lord, will find in the my lord, not 164 statement, other 161 statement, Lord, where they said by whom and by which manner when the victim was assaulted.
See, the same story. দুষ্কৃতিকাৰী আমাক লোহাৰ ৰড আৰু বাঁহেৰে লাঠিৰে প্ৰহাৰ কৰিবলৈ ধৰিলে সেইদিনা হোৱা কিছুমানক মই চিনি পাওঁ এভৰিবডি ষ্টেটিং ডেট তেওঁলোক চুবুৰীয়া আছিল অমিত চেত্ৰী ৰমিত চেত্ৰী ৰাহুল ডেকা অৰুণ চেত্ৰী তেওঁলোকৰ মাজত আছিল will it mean that he has not been implicated? The wife has implicated. Same. Karanjun Busumotari.
And secondly, my lord,
সেইদিনা অহা দুষ্কৃতিকাৰী কিছুমানক চিনি পাওঁ তেওঁলোক চুবুৰী আছিল অমিত চেত্ৰী অৰুণ চেত্ৰী সুৰেঞ্চু
and secondly, my
so it's a group it's a group
group.
Individual act is not necessary. Is it necessary?
My lord, individual act, my lord, till now it is not necessary, Lord, because it is under investigation, Lord.
So
And
this is
secondly,
not
Madam,
a case
report
at
is
this
yet
stage
to occur.
at this stage to grant a bail 302. Yes, what is your case?
Yes, my case is that, Lordship, on the fateful day, I have stated in my para 6 how I was there because I represent a club that should be there in the case study, Lordship. I represent a club, I am the secretary, and that is why I have asked along with my all members to be there to negotiate it because this is and the information they encroached upon a plot of land which has been purchased by someone else, Lordship.
No,
And
how
they
the
have-
club is related to
that
this?
club was asked to negotiate the fact, negotiate the dispute. In the moment we arrived on the spot, all the boys of the club, they are more brash. They tried to assault everyone on the spot. And I have categorically stated, I was present, Lordship. May I read my statement at para 6? that the accused petitioner begs to state that the fact of the case is the informant and her deceased has been illegally encroached a plot of land property for which the owner of the property approached the village committee for fair settlement. Accordingly, a meeting for settlement between both parties was fixed on the earliest date. And the accused petitioner went to the place of along with the other members of the committee and the villagers. During that proceeding, the meeting, the situation went wrong. An argument converted into quarrel between the between the parties. At some point of time, the rage of the public against the informant's husband became intolerable, and finally they have started to beat the informant's husband. In reply to people in support, the informant started to attack other party. Unfortunately, during this riot, the informant's husband had to lose his life. That was the story, actual fact, Lordship. I'm not denying. I was there, Lordship. I was invited to condone the meeting, Lordship. And that is how I got involved, Lordship. Absolutely, I have not participated in any kind of overtake, Lordship, because all were there, Lordship. Everyone was there, Lordship. I hail from a very good background, Lordship. I have no past criminal antecedents like that, Lordship. I'm the only son in my house, Lordship. Mayor presence, Lordship. Yes, Lordship, admitted 3 years.
Jupiter Club.
Yes, Lordship.
Do you want me to read? I should not read.
And secondly, postman reported to North East Tribunal till now.
After some day, Lordship, let postmortem report come, Lord.
What is how many days you are behind?
More than a month.
32 days.
More than
32
a
days.
month, Lord.
Minimum, minimum 60 days.
Lordship, I've not even asked for police remand also, Lord. Lordship,
you
after vacation, Lordship, Lakshmi takes after vacation along with the postmortem report.
This is not a case.
By this time, it will be almost another
You
month,
went
Lordship.
here and introduced yourself to be the Mitham Tolor Jupiter Club Odisha. And these poor people were the laborers. The dispute is between two landlords.
Yes.
There was an agreement for sale of a land. One says he has taken money, not given, then they started doing work. These three people, 2 injured, 1 expired, were the laborers. And you people, 15 to 16 in numbers, you went there saying we are a member of Mithatol Jupiter Club. Every injured witness has said that. And you yourself is saying that you are the president of Jupiter Club. And the
Club, I do not know that means that I do not have Lordship.
and the
I'm representing
wife
the club.
was witness specifically named you. What more is required for the purpose of bail?
Post this matter after vacation. By this time, another month will go.
By this time, come to again to this court. Rejected.
Obliged, Lord. I'm obliged.
Injured witness. The
24 case that is not.
the informant specifically indicated, yes, next case there is not.
Case that is not.
Where is the FIR?
At the page 8.
Okay. Currency note.
Take
Take
current, take current.
When,
Well, today is 67 days, Lordship,
how, what is the total date?
90 days. Lordship.
And when?
So, we can try it before, before,
Vacation.
after vacation, it will be,
After vacation.
Two, before vacation.
Madam,
You have it on next
18, Lordship.
18.
Maybe Lords.
Yes,
439, my lord.
yes.
In this case, my lord, also, I am for the two petitioners, my lord. There is state petitioners, Hasmukh Mia and Nur Muhammad, my lord. They kindly see the FIR at page, my lord, page 9, my lord.
Base,
Page 9.
three zero two,
Yes, my lord.
only 302.
And these petitioners, my lord, are the relatives of the deceased, my lord. Relative. And on the random basis, my lord, initially police has arrested some persons. Only on the basis of the fact that some dispute was there, my lord, property dispute, my lord, landed property dispute in between the deceased family and their relatives, my lord. And many more years back, my lord, the deceased have shifted from their original home district, my lord, the Borpeta to Guwahati. And hereafter, my lord, that dispute was continuing, my lord. Only on the basis of that dispute that there might have something.
Is-
The police have arrested, my lord.
There is some allegation of existence of CCTV.
Yes, they are identified by through CCTV footage, Lordship. And my lord, there are sufficient materials already collected by the IB.
Identified.
Yes,
There is a specific statement
Yes.
that there are CCTV. These people
CCTV is there, my lord, but
both the accused persons.
present.
on that day, my
And my
lord,
lord, investigation also pending, Lordship. Today is 69 days.
but my lord, what happened in this case, my lord, initially, my lord, these petitioners, my lord, were, my lord, taken under police custody for 5 days, my lord, and thoroughly interrogated, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, only on the basis of, my lord, police prayer, my lord, the additional 4 days police custody have been granted, my lord. They thoroughly interrogated, my lord. Further custodial retention, my lord, interrogation is
They were
required or not,
hired by the
my
my lord main accused person who is yet to be
My
arrested.
lord, I am the relatives of the deceased person, my lord. Already, my lord, around, my lord, 70 days, my lord, behind the bar, my lord. 70 days, my lord.
302 hitting a person. Be there for something.
Then,
There
my lord,
are is that
then, my lord, some more days may go, my lord.
come back after 70 days. Rejected.
Obliged, my lord.
Lordship, 26 and
I'm
40.
surprised. As in Assam also so many cases of murders and all.
Lordship, may I pray, Lordship, item 49 also be taken up together, Lordship, arising out of same.
My lord, in this case, we have received the case diary, Lordship, but the postmortem report is not received, Lordship.
This is item number
26.
26, Lord.
26 and 49. Lordship.
26 is BA, Lordship, and 49 is AB.
will take up at that what 302,
No, 306.
306. Okay,
So 304 B, Lord.
304B.
The postmortem
Okay, we'll
report,
take up along with
Uh,
60,
49.
49. We'll take up with 49.
Postmortem report not received. Lord.
Will it be declared?
In case of 2016, Lord,
How many days?
only 25 days.
Okay, we will take a chance before.
It's called for the postmortem report.
Though case diary is received, however, the postmortem report is not received. Accordingly, matter be listed on
And the 18 another photo from the 17, Lordship, next
Seven.
week.
17. On which date the postmortem report be produced, along with pass the same order, list this matter along with
49.
no,
Not
this,
this number. Lordship, AB 3364.
আর এই দুটো লিখে দিবা, list along with this on 15.
Much obliged, your Lordship. Much obliged.
My pleasure.
Yes.
439 application for and this the each person was arrested on the extent of NBW lordship on 3/4/2023 and as on to the lordship 6 months 12 days in deputy lordship and lordship and the one more time the lordship and the petitioner approach to the court below lordship the criteria was detected.
376 D
D, man.
will need this then.
More than 6 months lordship and out of
There,
same
scan
lordship
copy.
the other one person lordship will find the page number 21.
The scan copies called for
Can copy receipt, man.
received.
Received.
What is the material? Have you gone through?
Yes, my lord. Scan copy, my lord. It says clearly implicating, my lord. 2 PWs are there, my
Where
lord.
is the victim?
Victim, my lord, perhaps, my lord, not yet examined.
Oh, then how, why should
Well,
we?
yeah.
Dismissal or withdrawal?
More than
Without,
Until and unless victim is examined, it's
and
difficult.
without going to the victim statement also, there are materials. At least, the lordship may kindly see the medical part, your lord. PW1 is very, my lord, it's very long, my lord. I have check marked the relevant part. How the girl has been recovered.
merit of
Yes,
and keep it
option is
kindly-
yours.
For a moment, Lord, page number 21, Lord.
I have no problem hearing a case.
No.
Yes.
Lordship, out of the similarly putting Lordship and the one accused was arrested in the extent of NBW on Tahir area. He was the grant bail by the court below. Lord.
Go to the court below.
Then he can get that order, man.
You go to the court below. Why have you come here?
Rejected, that is why Lordship.
Oh, that's why rejected. There is specific allegation against you. There might not be anything against him.
And Lordship, after vacation, I will produce the and if the victim is examined, Lordship, and I will collect the certificate copy.
Okay, on the prayer of the
Yeah,
learned
pending.
counsel for the petitioner, list this matter after. application.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship, my lord. The petition was rounded up by the police on 9/8/2023, your lordship.
Hmm.
And right from the date of arrest, your lordship, as on date 62 days, your lordship. FIR is at phase 11, your lordship.
Tell us the affair.
FIR in a nutshell, your lordship, the daughter of the informant, the informant daughter was married to the accused petitioner, your lordship, on 24/5/2023, your lordship. So after marriage, she got pregnant, your lordship, 1.5 months pregnant, your lordship. And it is alleged in the affair that he was forced to terminate the pregnancy, your lordship. And she was not acceded to terminate her pregnancy, and eventually, your lordship, conspiracy was hatched, your lordship, by the accused petitioner, along with
How many
other,
days you are inside?
I mean, 60 days, 62 days, your lordship, and rest of the.
Yes, completely statutory period. Lordship.
Territory period.
Lord.
Okay. Submitted, it is submitted that the petitioner has already completed the territory period, but no charge sheet has been
62
filed.
days.
No charge sheet has been filed. Considering the above, the petitioner is allowed to go on bail. Does the description of
Lordship, is a Lordship, Chief Judicial Magistrate Morigaon.
is there more?
Leave of life, much of life.
Case that is
439 application. FR is in page number
FIR space
7.
Yes, Purva.
It is also my lord
State accused person already released on bail.
one person as in my lord, he was caught my lord by pulling my lord both.
Disturbing.
They are started by 150, more than 150% lordship, and they were also one of them. That is the statement of the eyewitness. Some persons were granted bail lordship in this case.
Out of 30, 10% released on bail.
Those are, this is BA or AB?
PL.
BA. Granted. Okay, order the file. Wait, BA, I thought it was AB.
No.
How many
PL.
days?
54 days.
155 and 154 rupees. 2%. Item
Two
number 29, 55 days.
Item number
And
29,
30 is, my lord,
55 days, and 30 is
30, 54 days.
54 days.
30. Apply.
30 by, give your name. Give your name. He returned a CD. Considering the period of detention and the material available. Huh? Okay. To the satisfaction of Purva,
My lord, CCM Mongoldo Road.
CGM. Yes, what is this?
My lord, 30 to 30 submitted road.
Searches submitted being
My lord, being search number 214/2023, dated 19/6/2023.
what are the sections?
Section, my lord, 366,
These are tribal
376.
by
Section.
sessions, huh? Interim order 9623. Huh? You will remain on interim till the matter is committed and then you file a regular application before the session.
The 33 also searches submitted road.
Submitted,
I'm on interim lordship.
interim,
Lordship.
tribal by
Check on 306 is
376.
Yes,
is there. Okay, huh? Tribal by session. It's being CS number,
CS number 163/2023, dated 30/4/2023, 30 April.
I'm on.
34, we have not received the case there.
interim is there,
Yes, ma'am.
interim to continue, city not receive well,
After vacation, lordship, my lord, 21/11.
21
May I please your lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, we are on interim and we are also informed that the trial court has started the proceeding.
My lord, Thursday submitted lordship in this case.
okay, being charge sheet number,
Thursday number 77/2023, dated 31/5/2023.
sessions tribal,
My lord.
Huh? By the trial court. Interim to asylum, huh? Interim.
May please your lordship.
Yes,
The 438 application, my lord.
mm,
Here, my lord, I am on interim, my lord. You are on interim, my lord.
Case that is not received, lordship.
yes, 21,
My lord, 21/11.
interim to continue,
Oblige me.
21/11. Yes,
He received a letter.
that is the problem.
Subsequently, the victim applied
Expired.
a period to adapt.
What is the material against them?
Well, there are
Yes.
My lordship, my senior is to come.
Who is your senior?
Mr. Ranjit Sir.
Yes, Mr. Chair. 302 has been added according to that. What is the FR?
Not a fair. Page 11. My lord, the main accused, the Mizanur Rahman, has been already been granted bail by the honorable.
Interim.
No, my lord, that is absolute. I am on interim.
Who are you?
I am one of the persons who had caused the son of this complainant. He had committed rape. We caught him red-handed and handed him over to the police. So in lieu of that, the mother had lodged this affair against her, saying that we have detained the son, beat him up, snatch away his mobile. This kind of allegations are there. But the son of this complainant,
Who is Monjuma Khatun?
she's the victim, my lord. She's the one who has been allegedly raped by.
My lord, I am sorry here, not period to attend a different case.
Okay.
My lord, whether he has appeared or not, that is not reflected in the CD.
You are Mizanur, na?
Jakaria,
You are
Jakaria.
Jakaria. Statement is
Jakaria.
not there.
Statement
You are on
is-
interim.
I'm on interim.
Okay. If return the
Yeah.
case there, get his statement recorded, then we can.
Statement has been recorded, my lord.
That is not.
They're
clear,
not,
Your Honor.
not on record. That's it. It is though the case diary is produced. The learned additional public prosecutor submits that the statement of the present petitioner is not available on the case diary. However, Mr. R. Sharma, learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner has got his statement recorded. Considering the contradictory submission, let the case diary be returned back and be updated and produced before this court after on.
On my lord.
Meantime, you just once visit.
I have already.
No,
My lord,
but still you visit
I'll
because
do
they will, what, we know the problem.
I-
They are not recording. We have given a deadline after puja. We are asking them to have the CCTV footage. The moment there is a dispute between stating the petitioner, I went there and they are not recorded. In view of Supreme Court judgment, they will have to record under a CCTV. We'll call for the CCTV, and if these officers are wrong, we'll do the needful.
first-
That's why we are saying,
Sorry.
in the meantime, the petitioner shall once again visit
Madam,
the.
First time I had gone, the I was transferred up, so I had to wait. Then subsequently, after a few days, again when I gone, then they recorded.
On 1611.
Okay, 1611.
Public.
We'll take action after puja. We have already intimated to the PP. This is not done. If people will get interim, they will go wait for days. They will be sent back. I am busy. This will not be done. Okay. Yes.
I'm on an interim.
CD not received, my lord.
When?
My lord, after vacation on 16.
16 interim to continue. CD 9.
My lord, in 30th, I am sorry, my lord. It has been succeeded.
Okay. Where is Mr. He has done. Being
Being, my lord,
CS number
161,
161
dated 36/23.
23. It is tribal by
My lord,
dated
306.
30. Dated
306. 36/23.
30. 20. Tribal by
Session, my lord.
session. So interim order dated
Interim 23/6/23 as per my note.
hello. Yes.
438 application notice, petitioner is on interim. And here FIO lordship will find page 60. And allegation is regarding lordship anomalies in the financial year from 2018 to 2021. And if your lordship see the page number 14, I was transferred to that particular panchayat on 22/9/2021.
You are Naimul,
Yes, Niyamul.
Niamul.
He was transferred to that Gaon Panchayat on 22/9/2021.
Where is that?
That page 13 your lordship will find.
You are on interim.
Yes, page 14.
Statement recorded.
Statement recorded, Lordship, my lord, only my lord,
President is
allegations
granted
are my lord there, Lordship. Allegations
But
are there.
where is that?
page 14 your lordship will find.
Page 14.
Yes.
Where is the FR?
see-
First, let us see the FR.
Relevant paragraph, page 17. And accused number 1, president is granted bail by the honorable. Considering the fact that he was on interim and subsequently appeared before the page 17 is the FIR.
Okay. 14 finance 2018, 19, 19, 20, 2021. Accused person together purchase 8 street lights of cheaper value instead of 145 street lights and install the same in various Bidar Gaon Panchayat and thus municipal. Where is your
Page 14. lordship will
page?
find. 14, 14. Serial number 22.
So September 2021. So beyond the financial year.
Beyond the
Beyond the financial year. September. Allegation is during financial year 2021.
and president is granted accurate.
Considering the allegation in the FIR is regarding some misappropriation of money relating to the financial year 2018-19, 2019-20, 2021. Full stop. The petitioner joined as the secretary of the said Gaon Panchayat.
No, GPC. GPC.
GPC is
Gaon Panchayat
coordinator as Gaon Panchayat coordinator on 22nd of September 2021. That is beyond the financial year 2021. Considering the above and also considering the fact that pursuant to the interim order granted by this court, the petitioner has cooperated with the investigating authority. And also the fact that the Gaon President Secretary has been, Gaon President has also been granted bail by this court. This court is of the view that no further custodial interrogation.
My submission is
Accordingly,
recorded, Lordship.
Yes, then that is already I have a standard paragraph.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, at the last occasion, there is a direction, my lord, to cooperate with the investigation authority, my lord, and I am in interim, my lord. And after that, city was called for.
My lord, he appeared and recorded.
Yes, Hajarika.
That our interim city of both the cases have been called, my lord.
307.
Petitioners have already appeared, my lord.
Anything? Do you require his custodial interrogation?
Lordship, CD doesn't reflect their presence.
In the place of occurrence.
Yes, no, Lordship.
Considering the material available on record.
Lordship, CD maybe requires to be updated because their statement is not recorded.
They have appeared, but then I mean, inspection will be.
Order the kilo. It happened. Randit from order of the learned additional public prosecutor submits that though case diary is available, however, statement of the present petitioners are not available on record. Mr. Hazarika submits that they got, they or he or it, how many? One. The
No, all of
petitioner,
them, all the petitioners.
Huh?
All
the
of them.
petitioners.
Four.
Had already got their statement recorded.
Appear.
Appeared
Right.
before the police station. Considering the above, let this matter be listed once again on 21/11/2023. The case there will be returned back and be updated along with the statement of the petitioners. Mr. Hazarika, appear, go and appear.
They have appeared in that case, they will again appear, but with there will direction with the police will record their statement only.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
police is not recording.
If the statements are not already recorded, petitioners shall appear before the IO. And the IO shall invariably record their statement.
Because there are lots of two grievous one grievous injury.
Whatsoever, there is an interim order.
Yes,
This
Lord.
is the happening.
Lord.
They are saying we went there, recorded a statement, police is not giving. What is the, we'll think that this is a reason other than bona fide.
Lord.
We'll think it is to be reason other than bona fide and we'll ask the DGP to intervene. Because this is not the single case.
Lord.
The message should go to the IOs.
Lord.
And file something and we'll call for a CCTV camera report because this is not done. It's a wastage of judicial time. Otherwise, we could have either rejected or granted.
Written judgment also there.
Yeah.
The interim will continue.
Interim order passed earlier.
Forty lots of still not received.
Any interim?
No. No interim.
It's not the mother-in-law and mother-in-law of the day.
But can have a try before vacation.
Lord.
Huh? 18.
Published.
Met please. 438 application lottery is on interim. Case study was called for. Page 9 is the FIR.
Reportive in this regard, CS submitted, it's already been submitted.
She has submitted being
CS number 91/2023,
23.
dated 39/2023.
39. You are in interim?
Interim.
Sessions tribal? Sessions tribal interim.
How long?
Yes.
Petitioner is on interim and as per direction of this honorable court already appeared before the IO lordship.
Yes.
Here started submitted.
Charges submitted.
Yes, sir.
Being
Being CS 188/23. That is not mentioned.
188/23. Okay. Sessions tribal? Further updated?
That's it.
364A. What is tribal by?
I might have CGM, might have.
CGM. CGM. Okay. Trial court include. Yes, Abdullah.
May please your lordship, here injury report was called for.
Simple injury.
Simple injury.
Simple injury.
Actually, it's a land dispute between neighbors, but there was no injury in fact, man. Okay.
Considering the material available on record and also nature of the injury granted with condition. Did you get your statement record?
My lord.
Huh? Because there is no interim. Get the statement record.
Obliged.
Intent.
Yes, please, your lordship. 438 application Miller city was called for. What happened Miller on 3rd of October I was granted intent protection Miller. Asked him asked me to appear within 10 days. The city was fixed on 8/10 Miller. I could not appear there. Therefore, Miller.
Okay.
Hello, after vacation Miller.
Okay.
Let it be on 2011.
2011.
along with the up-to-date city statement of the.
We'll not say anything. The learned additional public prosecutor to produce the up-to-date case diary on 21/11/2023.
Yes.
The case diary received be returned back. In the meantime,
My lord.
the petitioner shall appear before the IO and get his statement recorded within a period of 10 days.
My lord.
It is made clear that on the appearance of the accused, the IO shall invariably record his statement.
Inter may be con-
Interim order partially shall continue.
deeply obliged, my lord.
Okay.
Is this?
May I please your lordship, my senior. Susanna Kumar.
Yes, sir. Case there is here. Who is your senior?
Uh,
Some time you wanted some time.
Yes.
Who is your senior?
that Kumar.
He's having some difficulty.
Yes.
City is here. When? What is the allegation?
The allegation of the misappropriation of the NGO money, lordship.
Hmm.
There are sufficient material against them, but the only thing is that the case there is not up to the lordship. It is up to August 2023. Otherwise, there are material against this all the three accused persons.
Okay, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the leading counsel, Mr. J. Kamar is having some personal difficulty today. Accordingly, a prayer for adjournment is made. Full stop. On the other hand, Mr. Borua learned additional public prosecutor submits that he may be permitted to produce the up-to-date case diary. The prayer is allowed. Accordingly, let's this matter on 20.
But,
Give her-
immediately after vacation,
Okay, give her
14/11.
14/11/2023.
Yeah,
In which case interim? Both cases.
all the three cases.
All the three cases. Interim order pass earlier shall continue till then.
May I please the lordship, this
Yes.
matter is wrongly listed today, madam. It has been fixed on 10/11/2023, madam.
Okay. So the matter is fixed on 10/11/2023. However, same is listed today. Registry to list this matter on 10/11/20.
Interim order.
Interim order pass earlier.
All right.
Did you receive my
78.
FIR page 8 lord,
FIR page
8 lord, tells them added 302 lord. Equity number already surrendered. One.
This is AB. Very good. Very good. Only 302 or only 307?
Added 302 lord.
Added 302. Only 302. Who surrendered? Zahidul.
Zahidul.
And now who are the other petitioners?
The equity number 2 is the father.
No, tell me the name.
The
Who are the
PRL,
petitioners here?
PRL,
PRL is no, yes, 2. Then
Dilbar Ali,
Dilbar Ali. Then
Saddam
Saddam.
Ali and Kamala Khatun, his mother.
Saddam. And Maki.
Mother, Kamala Khatun.
She is also petitioner. Huh?
Yeah.
So all 5 and Kamala 6. Yes, what was
But
their
okay.
role?
I'm sorry, my lord, some wrong record has been sent by the office, my lord. This is a of Lanka PS, my lord, but it was Borpeta PS, my lord.
Okay,
But, perhaps, my lord, any day, not today, my lord. In Friday,
before back.
yes,
It is submitted by the Mr.
Yeah.
Goswami Lanet, the additional
Yeah,
public
good to know.
prosecutor, that some
Yeah.
wrong case diary has been sent accordingly. He prays that matter be listed on
Friday.
Thursday.
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 Deeply,
Where is it?
I'm obliged.
I think that is the strategy. The main person who attempted
He
the
is
surrender,
now.
they might not be involved.
My
It seems like that.
Yeah.
Proper advice by a
Yes,
proper counsel. Proper counsel.
If there is a delay of 11 days in filing the appeal,
Who are the respondents?
Lord, the teacher of the victim, the teacher is a POXO.
It's a POXO. So notice will have to. Notice 6 weeks, 5 days, steps with 5 days within both ways.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Yes.
The I is for condoning the delay of 19 days in filing the connected criminal revision petition.
Who are the respondents? Private respondents are there.
Only one,
Notice. Same matter. Steps within 5 days. Both
Okay.
ways. Returnable 6 weeks.
okay.
May it please your lordship.
Yes, Deori.
In this case, your lordship, I'm challenging an order by which my vehicle has not been given demand. Your lordship may kindly peruse page 22 for a moment.
Page
22.
any report.
The report is not there, my lord, but respond number, notices were sent to respond number 2 and 3, my lord. They are from the
We have-
forest,
Who are they?
they are, my lord, forest divisional forest officer and range forest officer.
By name.
Yeah, no, my
No,
lord.
your lordship. I have
Right.
taken steps, your lordship, as per the last order direction of the court. I have taken steps.
Why don't you text this on standing council?
Yes, I have taken steps.
Standing
your
council is
lordship.
name shown.
Not shown,
Not
that is
shown.
not. It may be shown, my lord.
Okay. So steps has been taken upon respondent number 2 and 3 through the standing council forest department. However, name is not shown. Please this matter day after tomorrow.
Deeply.
Showing the name of standing council forest department.
Deeply. your lordship.
Good girl. 79. 79%. Good girl. এটা কি আছে? Bail to bail গাড়ি আছে না? Admission time লাগবে না? তো admission certificate করে কিছু দিতে হবে।
Yeah, please. My lord, there are 2 months punishment, my lord, in this case.
Notice stay.
I,
To
I-
IA is there, separate IA is there.
Yes,
Ready to criminal appeal admitted, call for the record. Who are the respondents?
my lord,
Only state?
state, my lord.
Okay. Goswami accept notice, no formal notice may be issued. Okay, then IA. Considering I'm to do you are on previous bill?
Previous.
shall remain on previous bill. Item 16. Okay. I dispose. I dispose. Uh, Chaudhuri,
My lord.
uh, the previous bill was till 37,
Thereafter, I am told that it was extended.
extended.
Yes.
Okay, same. Appeal admitted, call for the record. ROIA to remain on previous bill. Dispose. And appears for the petitioner on call. List of the vacancy. No, this is no, this is adjourned. I think 55 is adjourned.
Not that.
54 is adjourned in the morning. 55. Okay.
My lord, may I pray for taking up this matter at 2, my lord?
Ooh,
Yes, yes,
why?
my lord, the case will conduct my senior, my lord. Senior is coming, but it do not.
Now, why petitioner in person? What is this? I'm not getting it. The cause list.
My lord, the opposite party appear himself, my lord. He is
Number
also
two.
an practicing advocate, my lord. Opposite party number 2, my lord.
Okay.
But he has not been appearing, my lord, since.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyway.
Yes,
Okay.
at my lord.
At 2, we have some other, I think, VC will be there. Yeah.
Oblige, my lord.
Why it is written at 2?
The lordship, it written as 2 at, on last occasion, it come, when it is reached. At that moment, lordship, it was a paucity of time, honorable court could not take up. That is why we get 2, lordship, because it's a matter where 8 years already completed. Then for the time period, he is inside as death. Lordship also asked me to mention the matter
Ah.
for updated. That
Okay.
is at 2, lordship.
We'll take up this matter first.
Yeah.
Inform the other side, NCB.
Okay, they are there.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll have it. First, I think there will be some virtual from Kolkata. Then thereafter, we'll take up your matter. Then we'll go to. What about item number 55, inside or outside? You are inside or outside? Outside only. So we'll take our case first, inside, then we'll go to the outside.
56 already, lordship already partly heard some portion of it.
What about 57?
My lord, in this case, we are being led by senior counsel, Mr. N. Bora, my lord. He is not available today.
He is not available. It is
But if we have to-
submitted that adjournment on behalf of prayer for adjournment on behalf of Mr. A. M. Bora, Learned Senior Counsel is made. Prayer stands allowed. List of application.
Obliged.
58. Yes.
My senior is in election put number 6.
Is?
Is in election put number 6.
Will you do it today? I have serious doubt that any urgency.
Not a. I think interim order is there.
Okay, interim order is there. What is the criminal petition about?
Lot to get telling the charges framed against the petitioner.
Okay, on the prayer of the learned counsel put a petitioner list this matter after.
Interim order maybe.
Interim order passed.
Obliged.
Here, my lord, you have challenged one charge sheet as well as the summon issued by the trial court
Hmm.
to the petitioner. Lord, you will find the FIR at page 21. The relevant will be page 23. Initially, my lord, it was registered under section 376(2) and 406(420). But by the time the circuit
You're
was,
enjoying a stay.
I would like to, my
Enjoy,
lord,
enjoy the stay.
I would like to try my
There
luck.
is
my
no
lord.
urgency to before vacation to here also.
Also on Friday or on Thursday, my lord, at least let me try my luck.
After,
Otherwise, my lord, service holder, ACS officer,
I have seen that. Both are serious officers.
both are.
After vacation.
Otherwise, my lord, in the affidavit filed by the other side,
Hmm.
they have, my lord, in a way, they are supporting in one paragraph, stating that this particular.
Who is for
section
the other
otherwise-
side? Who is appearing for
There
it?
is no material, my lord, for.
Okay, after vacation.
After
Let us give preference to the bails and those inside jail.
In that case, my lord, the interim may continue.
Interim will continue definitely. As agreed to with the learned council for the parties, this matter after vacation. Interim order passed earlier.
Public.
This matter regarding that Dimao vehicle, it was rejected on the ground that it is required for further investigation. And my vehicle is
Lordship,
there
that
since,
report, only that report
April,
is
Lord.
there, Lordship, that is required for further investigation. I
What was the offense?
that is regarding of the,
The
that
seizing of
some
cattle.
ATM cards and passbook were recovered from other FIR accused person.
No, what is the allegations? Narcotics, what was the? what-
ATM card and passbook were found Lordship, from the accused person. The allegation is of cyber crime against the FIR accused person. I was
And what is the vehicle?
that Swift Desire.
Swift Desire.
It was not involved in that FIR. It is not involved. From the FIR table, Lordship, you will find FIR page 14.
These
relevant
are,
offense.
will allow this. What will you do with the vehicle?
Not-
Instead of the officer in charge driving,
Lordship, otherwise there is a allegation, he is the prime actor. Lordship.
he is the prime accused, convict him. Do whatever, what will you do with the vehicle?
Lordship.
I am not understanding why these matters are being, High Court is burdened with all these matters. There may be something that this exhibit, you will need to exhibit. Do you need to exhibit this vehicle?
No.
Then dispose of. Hello, dispose of. You'll get the order not today, but
How
Obvious. তাতে নীতি আমার 10টা মতো। আমাকে এখনো তো লিখা আছে। এখানে
yes,
Am I audible, your lordship?
yes, you are.
I apologize for not being there physically.
No problem. It's a
Uh,
part of it. Yes.
Only thing, my lord, before I start on for CBI, my lord, they had filed their objection.
Hmm.
And that in the objection, I just want to say something before your lordship because I feel this is required to be brought to your notice. My lord, in page 109 of that
Your-
objection, which has been
Your
filed,
network is very poor.
your lordship is not being able to hear me.
No, we are hearing you, but your voice is broken and your picture is also not clear. Picture
My
we can avoid.
lord, may I come back to your lordship in physical form on Monday? To the case before your lordship on Monday.
That we can do.
My lord, then
That
kindly
will be
only.
better because
I think because it requires an audience. Only
Ah.
one thing that I want to point out that since 22 and 23 are already tagged up together, let it appear under only one single head, my lord. It will be easier.
it will be together. It will, we will
Yes.
say that due to network problem, we've not been able to
Yes.
hear. So Learned Council proposed that she will be present on Monday.
Very well, my lord. I shall be there. Personally, I shall be there,
Okay.
and it would be really a pleasure to argue before your lordship in physical form, my
Okay,
lord.
we'll
My lord, kindly ask the registry to mark it and keep it as a part hard, my lord. Or else again, if it goes
No,
to
this
some
will
other
come-
bench again
this
to
will-
come back.
because the roster is like that. This will come to me only.
Very well. Much obliged. So I will be meeting your lordship, my lord. Today I am stuck up in Ganges. Next day I will be at Brahmaputra.
Because in this way, it's not possible.
I
So there is
understand.
a-
I understand.
See, now your whole voice is, you are still now. Again,
Yes.
your voice
No. I will be present. Physically, I will be present and arguing the matter.
on Monday.
I shall be there.
Okay.
Much
I'll pass
obliged.
the order on Monday. It will be.
Much obliged. Much
Sorry.
obliged.
Mr. Agarwal, we are asking a senior advocate to wait because she is
There's a
having
part
a
heard matter.
matter, not part heard. She is having we heard a little bit earlier, but not as such part heard. But convicted for
For 10 years, 8 years, 1 month
No, there is
already.
no difficulty, my lord.
Okay.
Let-
or if you are not having any urgency, you may not take up, maybe because this may take some time.
Okay, then it's all right.
So we'll take it after vacation instead of keeping you waiting. We are not
If your
sure of.
lordship will be taking, my lord, I'll be there, my lord. There will be no difficulty. Or if your lordship has some difficulty, my lord.
No, I don't have any detail about it. This matter may because I'll have to dictate this order.
Then, my lord, take.
Then two hearing, ultimately it will be on merit.
No, true, man. Sorry. So, my lord, any day after vacation.
As per your convenience. Even it. Then we can peacefully conclude this dictate and finish it off.
No, that's true, my lord. At least one is over. One is over.
And criminal cases dictating and taking 2 meters in a 1/2, it's for me,
No,
it's
otherwise also.
it's a little bit.
Because my lord has to hear the matter. It's a
Uh-huh.
conviction of 10 years.
Ultimately, it's a question of
Evidence is there.
dear evidence.
Evidence is there.
And that too in a NDPS.
NDPS. So it will take time.
Time.
So I'm obliged to it.
Yes.
I'll take
So
it.
give a date, intimate will occur this matter. As per his convenience.
My lord, before starting that, I may be allowed to say something, lordship. Earlier occasion, lordship, referred a matter because S.A. Kyle was not there. So, will come or not, that may be.
Lordship, he will come. His matter is going on in court number.
Here in this, may I start?
Yes.
Here in this matter, the information received on 4/8/2015 by one Suresh Kumar Singh.
Just tell us the story first.
Story.
How it
Yes.
happened, how it was,
That is your lord.
how many other methods are there? This is the only item. That's it. Yes, sir, I think you have no role. Your role, sir, I have already finished. Okay. Now it is Nargis.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, I think I have submitted one synopsis in this case.
This is,
So in this case, Lordship, initially information received by one Suresh Singh, Lordship. Suresh Singh is PW Lordship 3. PW3 received an information on 4/8/2015. That one person is coming, Mohammed Hassan is coming, is carrying a heroin in the backpack and he is traveling in general compartment coach from Injin Abu Assam Express on that day. So thereafter they reach to the place of occurrence at platform number 5 and they call for 2 persons from platform number 5 as per their deposition, Lordship. Then Lordship, what happened? They enter in the coach and charge the person. There they
Birendas was examined as
Birendas examined as PW6.
and Ripon Soikia
He has not taken.
not examined.
So in presence of Birendas, they have stated that Birendas and Ripon Soikia was there. Then they intercepted the person inside the train. Then the train was supposed to leave. That is why they
Now I recall they brought the person to
platform number 1
platform number 1.
near the RPF post. So here one crack is there, Lordship. This person, Birendas, he has stated that RPF personnel called him as per the position of PWC. So here in this case, Lordship, seizing officer
What
is
was my judgment? I had passed a judgment in division bench.
Yes.
What was that?
regarding this in railway compartment, Lordship, in division bench, Lordship, sir.
You will rely on the judgment in
Yes,
this
yes, Lordship.
Huh?
I'm relying on it. No, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Lordship.
case. Vishwanath.
Yes. But
My first NDPS.
yes, but in this case, Lordship, this is little bit different. That was regarding the
Not
part,
established
yeah,
whether they are bedroll employees,
Yes, yes.
whether that was seized from that
yes,
airbag.
this is not related to that. It's quite different, Lordship. There we will go only 2-3 points. First point is 52A, which is mandatory, Lordship. In earlier judgment also mentioned in this case. 52A, that is mandatory, and section 50 and an independent witness. And one more thing is that
According to you, non-adherence of section 52A.
Yeah.
Okay.
totally that was silent in their deposition. And
What
Lord,
was 52A?
52A,
NDPS.
52A, Lordship. 52A, Lordship, regarding disposal of seized narcotic drugs and psychotropic substance. 2 is not necessary right now. The subclause 2 is necessary, 1 is not necessary right
52A subclause 2.
2.
What
Wait.
it says?
Lordship, may I read?
Yes.
Where any narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances has been seized and forwarded to the officer in charge of the nearest police station or the officer empowered under section 53, the officer referred to subsection 1, self-prepared an inventory of such narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances containing such detail relating to the description, quality, quantity, mode of packing, marks, numbers, or such other identifying particulars of the narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances or the packing in which they are packed, country of origin and other particulars as the officer referred in subsection 1 may consider relevant to the identity of narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances in any proceeding under this act and make an application to any magistrate for the purpose of certifying the correctness of the inventory so prepared. B. Taking in presence of such magistrate photographs of drugs or substances and certifying such photographs as true, or allowing to draw representative sample of such drugs or substances in presence of such magistrate and certifying the correctness of any list of the samples so drawn. When an application is made under subsection 2, the magistrate shall, as soon as may be, allow the application, notwithstanding anything contained in Indian Evidence Act or the criminal procedure. Every court trying an offence under this act shall treat the inventory, the photographs or of narcotic drugs, psychotropic substances, controlled substances, or conveyances and any
Primary evidence.
primary evidence. So
What was exhibited in your case?
these are not exhibited. These documents are not exhibited. They have received the
Any sample collected?
sample collected, but
Now, any FSL report?
FSL report is there. But thing is that what the law says that if that was done, that must have to done in presence of the magistrate. That is the law coordinate bench, lordship coordinate bench also, and the apex court letters bench also.
So that is the only point.
That is the only point in
So
this case.
we'll-
And the other independent witness conduct of the independent, he has not identified the person. So that is one more thing is that. And one more lordship may apprise that thing also. It was they get the information that the person is coming by a train which is supposed to come at night. So if 42(2) is there, lordship, in that case, 42(2) is there, proviso is there. If any information received,
Written to be right.
reduced to
Reduced to writing.
writing, then thereafter, if any search is made at night, so then in that case, lordship, 42(2), supervisor to that authorization is required to conduct a search at night, lordship. That is not in our case.
So basically violation of 52A
2A.
subclause
Subclause 2.
2 and 42 subclause 2.
Proviso.
Proviso.
And
Proviso.
the search and seizure during that time, 50 was there, whether they will argue on that point or not. So lordship, 50 is that the body search, he has given the consent that in your presence, if you search my body, I have no objection, but that is not the law. There is judgment from apex court that if body search conducted and the result during the search, nothing recovered. So in that case also, it is the duty of the officers to produce the person before the independent gazetted officer and before the magistrate. So that is not done in our case. So independent two witnesses were there. They have categorically stated by the deposition and the documents also they have stated. Panchnamas also prepared in this case, lordship. But why the other person not examined and the other accused person, other witness, what he has stated? Kindly have a look at the lordship.
Evidence.
Yes, evidence part of PW6. Because we have already earlier, we have read that part, lordship, other witnesses. If lordship want to see once more again, then we can go again.
You want to go to evidence.
PW6 directly,
PW6 is a seizure witness.
seizure witness. That is well, lord.
Hmm.
Just for a moment, lordship.
Hmm.
মই সামনখন মই সাক্ষী দিব সামন পাই সাক্ষী দিব আহিছো যোৱা 2015 চনত
এদিন
মই গুৱাহাটী ৰেল ষ্টেচন আৰু ৰঙিয়া যাব ৰেল ষ্টেচনৰ পৰা ৰঙিয়া যাব আহিছিলো তেতিয়া RPF লোকে মোক নমাই প্লেটফৰ্মৰ পিনে নিয়ে RPF লোকে এটা কলা বেগ আছিলে বেগটো খুলি এটা সৰু পেকেট পায় তাত কিবা পাউডাৰ জাতীয় বস্তু আছিলে তাৰ পাছত মোৰ সহি লয় পাউডাৰ খিনি 1.5-2 কেজি ওজন আছিলে পাউডাৰ পোৱা লোকজনৰ নাম মোহাম্মদ হাসান হয় আমি আজি দেখা আসামীজনক ভালকৈ ধৰিব পৰা নাই he could not identify the person then exhibit 4 জব্দনামা then lordship তাৰ পিছত লোকজনৰ বেগৰ পৰা ATM কাগজ জব্দ কৰে। Then these are the material exhibits. Then his signature. Then the cross. মই টিকেটখন জমা কৰা নাই। মই আৰ্মি এক্স সাৰ্ভিসমেন ID কাৰ্ড জমা কৰা নাই। RPFৰ লোককেইজন প্লেটফৰ্ম নম্বৰ 1ত নিয়ে। মই আজি আসামিক নিচিনিলো। ব্ৰাউন পাউডাৰ কিনি কি পাউডাৰ নেজানো। মই RPFৰ ৰুমৰ সন্মুখত চহী কৰো।
RPF থানাৰ
থানাৰ সন্মুখত চহী কৰো। মোক RPF লোকজনক নিচিনিছিলো। তেওঁলোকৰ পৰিচয় নেজানো। সত্য নহয় যে মই আসামী কাগজত চহী কৰা নাই। খালি কাগজত চহী কৰা নাই। সত্য নহয় যে মই ঘটনাৰ কথা একো নেজানো। So he could not identify this the person RPF personnel called him. Then RPF person.
So according to him, the seizure was at platform number 1.
One.
Even if we believe
Seizure
seizure is at platform
Platform
number
number
1.
It was not
And in front of the
RPF police station. RPF police station, but
he put his signature
in
in
front
front
of
of the RPF.
he has not stated that he saw that the person was boarded in the train, and from the train he was deboarded. Lord, that is not mentioned. Though they have stated that along with two witnesses, we entered the coach, general coach, and we brought the person from there along with the seized article. But he has not supported their case. That's the thing. And here I would like to place this.
And who are the other witnesses?
Other witnesses, Lordship, they are the. Other witnesses, Lordship, will get this PW1 is the team member. They are the officials, Lordship. PW2 is the investigating officer. 3 is seizing officer. 4 is FSL expert. Then 5 is also team member and go down in charge. Then PW6 is Viren Das, independent witness. PW3 received the information. If we go by all the deposition of PW.
How many witnesses are there?
6. 6 witnesses. PW1's presence is not established because he has not put signature in any document, Lordship. But PW2 is the investigating officer, 3 is the seizing officer.
Yes, what you wanted to rely?
I would like to submit this letter judgment, Lordship. It is disposed of by the apex court on 12/7/2023, Lordship. This is regarding this 52A. Petition site area. Mangilal versus State of Madhya. In this case, Lordship will get paragraph 4, Lordship, regarding 52. May I read, Lordship? Subsection 1 of section 52A of the NDPS Act. Yes. 52A of the NDPS Act facilitates the central government a mode to be prescribed to dispose of the seized narcotic substances. The idea is to create a clear mechanism for such disposal, both for the purpose of dealing with the particular case and to safeguard the contraband being used for illegal purpose thereafter. Subsection 2 of section 52A NDPS Act mandates to competent officer to prepare an inventory of such narcotic drugs with adequate particulars. This has to be followed through an appropriate application to the magistrate concerned for the purpose of certifying the correctness of inventory, taking relevant photographs in his presence and certifying them as true, or taking trial of samples in his presence with due certification. Such an application can be filed for any one of the aforesaid three purposes. The objective behind this provision is to have an element of supervision by the magistrate over the disposal of seized contraband. Such inventories, photographs, and list of samples drawn with certification by magistrate would constitute as primary evidence. Therefore, when there is non-compliance of section 52A of the NDPS Act, where certification
You want to say the sample which were exhibited was not certified by magistrate.
Yes.
Therefore, this is a mandatory provision, and therefore such sample and seizure is to be discarded.
Yes.
And therefore you are entitled for it.
Yes.
This
That's
is
Yes, Lordship Court, our High Court also passed in similar cases. Our division bench has been. Okay. Yes, but it will. It is by our High Court judgment 2021. It is passed by retired Justice Mir Alfazad.
2021.
Yes. In paragraph number 14. It is judgment based on
Paragraph
14. This judgment based on Lordship Mohanlal judgment, Lordship.
Okay.
Mohanlal, I'll place later on, Lord. The 14 Lordship will get married, Lord. Married, Lord. Subsection 3 of section 52A provides that
paragraph 15.
14. Subsection 2, subsection 3 of section 52A provides that when an application is made under subsection 2, the magistrate shall as soon as may allow the application. Thus, subsection 52A of the Act envisages the samples shall be taken in presence of magistrate. It may be mentioned herein that as per the standing order 1/89, sample must be taken from the seized contraband on the spot at the time of recovery itself. However, noticing the conflict between the said provision in para 2.2 standing order 1/89 as well as the provision of section 52 of NDPS Act, the Apex Court Union of India Mohanlal clearly mandate that samples shall be drawn under the supervision of the magistrate and basis in section 52A of NDPS Act. So
Suppose they think, they say that we will not take sample, but we will produce the whole. Then 52 is not
no,
necessary.
that is a primary evidence. Then that procedure is mandatory.
So suppose they want to say that suppose I have a truckload of ganja. I cannot exhibit truckload of ganja. I want to have a sample. Now that sample can be treated as a prime sample or photographs can be treated as a primary evidence.
But that is
And that should be accepted only when it is in
Certified by the
presence,
magistrate.
certified by magistrate, and it is- in this case, that was not there.
Not there.
This is your case.
That is my case. That is 1/89 is there. I have 1/89 notification also. And this lordship regarding the Mohanlal case. Mohanlal case.
You can read paragraph 15. Why should you go
Yes,
to
yes,
Mohanlal?
I'm lordship. From the this Mohanlal also yet discussed here also. From the mandate of apex court in Mohanlal's case, Supra, it is abundantly clear that sample must be taken under the direct supervision of magistrate, which does not done in the instant case. Even the standing order 1/89 was also not complied with in respect of taking sample there. Therefore, the violation of section 52A of the NDPS Act, as well as the mandate of Supreme Court in Mohanlal's case in respect of taking sample of contraband in apparent in the instant case. This has been relied based on 2016 TFCC lordship Mohanlal. Mohanlal also is there lordship
Mohanlal is not necessary here because Mohanlal is discussed here.
discussed here. So thereafter also, my lord justice has passed another judgment in 2018. In that case, Learned Training Council was also appeared in the case, Joginder Singh and Union of India. I think same discussion was made in that case. So
Joginder Singh.
in this case also, Mr. S.C. Kayal appeared in that case.
Which where it is?
No. I could not. In Joginder Singh. Yes. Joginder Singh that I'm not so good. Corona 42A. My lord, that is regarding 42. 2. That is regarding 42. So latest one more judgment is there regarding Simarjit Singh. Simarjit Singh lord. In this paragraph, in this case also, Honorable Apex Court has this relied this Mohanlal judgment lordship in para 8 lordship. It is or just like this. So here in para 8 discuss about Mohanlal case lordship and para 9. Para 9, hence the Act PW7 of drawing sample from all packets at the time of seizure is not in conformity with the law laid down by this court in the case Mohanlal. This creates the serious doubt about the prosecution case that substance recovered was a contraband. Hence, the case prosecution is free from suspension. We need to read more.
Yes, that's your case.
Mm.
Yes, Kyle.
Lordship, earlier before Mohanlal, the procedure was different. And Lordship knows that any judgment passed by the Supreme Court or any other court, that is a prospective application, not retrospective. This is my humble, this is my submission. Lordship may come to.
So there is no dispute that the Mohanlal's guideline was not followed, but your case is that on the date of the seizure, the Mohanlal was not available.
Not before, it was subsequent to Mohanlal was.
Before making submission, my learned friend lordship, one more thing is that lordship, this act come into play in the year 1985, and the section the 52A along with this act, it was come into play.
Your argument, your counter argument will be, then when the section is available, interpretation should relate, mandatoriness should relate back to the date of enactment of. and
Exactly.
is not it?
Yes.
It maybe have a prospective thing, but it will relate to the section 50, you are 52. 52 is already in existence. This will be a
Yes.
reply argument. So your first basic argument is that it is Mohanlal came subsequent to the seizure.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, there is no question of following
That notification,
Mohanlal or all subsequent judgment, which are all based on Mohanlal.
here the offense took place on 8/4/19/2015.
And what is the date of Mohanlal judgment?
On 2016, like,
2016.
Lordship, I'm giving the date.
Date.
It's 28/1/2016.
28, 1,
2016.
2000. That is the only issue.
And this is the basic argument. If my learned friend has not urged some other ground,
She has urged another ground that the independent witness,
yes, sir.
independent witness in his deposition, he stated that he saw the brown kind of sugary items in front of the RPF Thana.
Yes, sir.
And RPF Thana, and he could not identify this person that it was recovered from.
Lordship, then please to see the entire evidence of independent witness.
That is PW6,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes.
PW6, yes. According to him, he was
মই চমন পাই সাক্ষী দিব আহিছো। মোৰ 2015 চনত এদিন মই গুৱাহাটী ৰেল ষ্টেচনত
পৰা ৰঙিয়া যাব আহিছিলো।
ৰঙিয়া যাবলৈ আহিছিলো। তেতিয়া
RPF লোকে
মোক
নমাই প্লেটফৰ্মৰ পিনে নিয়ে।
নিয়ে। এখন কলা বেগ আছিল। বেগটো খুলি এটা সৰু পেকেট পায়। তাত কিবা পাউডাৰ জাতীয় বস্তু আছিলে আৰু পিছত মোৰ চহী লয়। পাউডাৰ খিনি 1.5-2 কেজি ওজনৰ আছিলে। পাউডাৰ পোৱা লোকজনৰ নাম মহম্মদ হাছান হয়। আজি দেখা আসামীজন ভালকৈ ধৰিব পৰা নাই। Exhibit still in envelope, ID card, DL, ATM, rail ticket, Ola wallet, more sohi. Material exhibit 2, sample hoy. Material exhibit 3, more sohi. Material exhibit 3, 580 tokar Not আছে।
more sohi. More sohi. More sohi. Cross. মই টিকেটখন জমা কৰা নাই।
মই টিকেটখন জমা কৰা।
মই
আমি এক সার্ভিসম্যান or
আৰ্মি এক্সিডেন্টৰ আইডি জমা কৰা নাই। মোক আৰপিএফৰ লোকে
প্লেটফৰ্মৰ পৰা নিয়ে। প্লেটফৰ্ম নম্বৰ 1 পৰা নিয়ে।
প্লেটফৰ্ম নম্বৰ 1 পৰা নিয়ে। মই আগতে আসামিক নিচিনিছিলো। ব্ৰাউন পাউডাৰ খিনি কি পাউডাৰ নেজানো। আৰপিএফ থানাৰ সন্মুখত চহী কৰো।
মোৰ আৰপিএফ লোকে
মোক আৰপিএফ লোকে মোক নিচিনে।
জোর করে নিছিল জোর।
না না না
মোক চহী কৰো।
So this is the evidence of the PW. He has stated that name of the accused was Mohammed Hassan, powder was seized. And it is from a common man, it cannot be expected that he knows that what was the drug there.
That is you are correct.
Yes.
But what is the evidence of the officer
Yes,
who sees the
yes, sir.
who was also the PW?
PW3.
PW3.
The last occasion I think I submitted this type copy of the deposition also. But that was not in correct way. One more I can submit.
Yes, please.
I don't know.
You're not here. Yes, 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 yes.
This is fair copy, Lord. Yes.
PW3 is
There may be some
Yes.
wrong, wrongly typed, that is why. I get it type again,
You have to type it again.
Lord.
corrected copy.
Corrected. এটা আপনি question Lord মিলাই তো। তারপর তো-
PW,
PW3, Suresh Kumar Singh.
just a minute, I'm on PW1,
Lordship will get it page number 7, I think,
page number,
7.
yes,
Correct.
PW3, Suresh Singh.
Yes. I'm reading from the certified copy, Lordship.
Ah, ah.
On 4/8/2015, I was posted as intelligence officer, NCB Guwahati. And on that day, my
Casual informer.
casual informer informed me that one person, namely Muhammad Hassan, is carrying a consignment of heroin in his bag, packed, and
Big packet.
one packet. And he was traveling in general compartment, third coach of engine in Awadh Assam Express from
Dimapur to Guwahati.
Dimapur to Guwahati. And after that, the information was reduced into writing by me and intimated to Mr. Tulika Moran, Superintendent of NCB Guwahati. After that, I said, after that, the said information was passed to Praveen Kumar, General Director NCB. And
A team was
the team was
constituted as per
constituted as per the
direction of superior officer.
officer NCB Guwahati. Exhibit 4 is the NCB
NCB 1.
one. Exhibit 4/1 is my signature dated 4/8/2015. Exhibit 4/2/3 signature of Superintendent Tulika Moran and Praveen Kumar, General Director NCB Guwahati, which is known to me. After that, the officer ordered me to constitute a team for to search and seizure comprising of Tulika Moran, Superintendent Sanjay Singh, IO, myself, Pawan Bishnoi, IO, Vishwajit Singh, IO, and Ruskin Talukdar, IO, and 6 numbers of sepoy. On strength of that order, I was appointed as seizing officer of the case and search officer of the case. Exhibit 5 is the office order. Exhibit 5/1 is a signature of Praveen Kumar, which I know. After that, a detailed team left Guwahati NCB office about 19:30 hours on 8/4/2015 and reached the Guwahati railway station at about 20:10 hours. After that, the said team reached the platform number 1 Guwahati railway station where Awadh was supposed to arrive. After that, I contacted 2 persons, namely Biren Das and Nipen Soikia, who were standing on platform number 5. Being introduced ourselves to both the persons and requested them to independent witness, also sharing the information we had on which they voluntarily agreed. Accordingly, the Awadh Assam Express from Dimapur reached Guwahati railway station at about 22:05 hours. After indication by our informant, NCB team alongside the 2 independent witnesses entered the general compartment, third from the engine, and identified the suspected person with the help of the informant. The NCB team approached the suspected person and shared the information. On asking, he introduced himself as Muhammad Hassan, son of Franco. Since the booth was crowded and on security point, the NCB team, along with the suspected persons with a bag, which was carried by Muhammad Hassan, with 2 independent persons, got down from train and went near RP office at platform number 1 for any search and seizure. That I issued a notice under section 50 NDPS Act to Mr. Muhammad Hassan, wherein I intimated him that it is his legal right and that his personal search may be conducted before the magistrate or a gazetted officer, to which he refused to do so in writing. Exhibit 6 is notice under section 50. Exhibit 6 in my signature. Exhibit 6 to signature Muhammad Hassan on acknowledgement signed in my presence. Exhibit 7 is written consent issued to me by Muhammad Hassan. Exhibit 7 is signature of Muhammad Hassan made before me. The consent is made in presence of independent witness. After that, the personal search of Muhammad was carried out by me in presence of 2 independent witnesses. During the personal search, of Muhammad Hassan, one voter ID card, one railway ticket dated 4/8/2015 from Dimapur to Baksha, one driving license issued by the government of Nagaland and few currency notes amounting to rupees 580. One SBI ATM card was found. After that, his bag, which he carried, was opened in presence of two independent witnesses and the team member. On being opened, the bag, few garments were recovered. And at the bottom of the bag, one plastic packet wrapped with sellotape was recovered. In presence of suspect and two independent witnesses, found the packet and brown colored powder material recovered. A small amount of powder was tested with narcotic drug detection kit, which was carried by NCB team. The state powder mentioned is tested positive of morphine in our NCB drug detection kit. After the plastic bag was weighted, which came to 1.5 kg. After that, the photograph was taken of the consignment. On the spot, questioning, Mr. Mohammed confessed that it was morphine, and consignment of morphine was given by some Muhammad Saiful, a resident of Golapatti, Saptagar and Pal in East in Dimapur. And further, he was going to deliver the same to one Gopalji Dubey, son of Sancho, Dholapur district, Pakta, Bihar. Equally to be Baksar. That the Hassan also revealed that he was involved in illegal trafficking of morphine for last many years for monetary benefit. On the reasonable belief that an offence has been committed under Section 8C of NDPS Act, under Section 21C NDPS Act, the entire consignment of morphine recovered from Mohammed and document seized under Section 43 of the NDPS Act. After I drew two samples marked as S1 and D1 respectively of 5 grams each of suspected morphine. The packet containing suspected morphine was marked as P1 and bag in which the said suspected morphine consignment marked as P1, P12 was concealed, was seized. The seized consignment was sealed with NCB brass seal with signature of the accused, two independent witnesses, myself also properly labeling consignment. The search was search cum seizure process was completed at about 12:30 hours on 5/8/2015 without causing any injury or damage to any property. Exhibit 8 is search and seizure list which started at 20 to 30 hours on 4/8/2015 and completed the next day. Exhibit 8 search cum seizure. Exhibit 1 to 2 my signature. Exhibit 8/6 to 8/10 signature of Mohammed Hassan. After that, I issued notice under Section 67 NDPS Act to Mohammed Hassan to record his voluntary statement at 1 hour on 5/8/2015 at platform number 1 near RPF office, Railway Guwahati station. After that, his voluntary statement was recorded by Santosh Saha before me, wherein Mohammed Hassan confessed his guilt. On the basis of confession statement, I arrested the accused person. Exhibit 9 is received copy of notice under Section 67(9)(1) is my signature, 9(2) signature Mohammed Hassan and acknowledgement. Exhibit 10 is the statement of Mohammed Hassan written in Bengali. Exhibit 1 to 4 are signature of Mohammed Hassan. Arrest after accused. Exhibit 11 arrest memo. Exhibit 11(1) is my signature, 11(2) is signature of Mohammed Hassan. After that, we return to Guwahati NCB office and deposit such materials with NCB samples to NCB godown. Exhibit 12 is godown receipt. 12(1) is signature of Tulika Moran. 12(2) is my signature. After that, at about 15 hours, all these articles were taken out of the godown to produce before the CGM court. Exhibit 13 is the godown receipt. Exhibit 31 is my signature. The accused Mohammed Hassan was produced on 5/8/2015 before the learned CGM court after his medical examination. Exhibit 14 of letter written to medical officers. Exhibit 14 my signature. Exhibit 50 is the forwarding prayer to send the accused to judicial custody. Exhibit 15 my signature. On 6/8/2015, I gave a compliance report under Section 67 NDPS Act to my immediate superior, Mr. Tulika Moran, Superintendent NCB. Exhibit 16 is compliance report. 16(1) is my signature. 16(2) is signature of Tulika Moran. On 6/8/2015, I forwarded the original sample sample 51 along with test memo to chemical examiner FSL Guwahati, which was forwarded by Praveen Kumar, General Director. Exhibit 17 is forwarding report. 17(1) is signature of Praveen Kumar. Exhibit 18 is copy of test memo prepared in triplicate. Exhibit 18(1) is my signature. 19 is the receipt of issued by the FSL. On the same day, I issued letter to resident of Muhammad Hashim regarding his arrest by speed post. Exhibit 20 is the letter issued to me by the father of Muhammad Hashim. Exhibit 21 is my signature. Material Exhibit 1, steel yellow colored envelope containing documents such as voter ID card, one flex color wallet, one DL, one SBI ATM card, one rail ticket. Exhibit 1 by 1 is my material. Exhibit 1 by 1 my signature. Material Exhibit 2, 1 by 2 signature of Muhammad Hashim. The two independent witness and Learned CGM signed thereon. Material Exhibit 2 is sealed yellow content envelope marked as PW1 containing 5 gram brown color morphine. Material Exhibit 2 by 1 is my signature. Material Exhibit 2 by 2 signature of Muhammad Hashim. It also contains two independent witness with Learned CGM Guwahati. Material Exhibit 4 is sealed white colored packet marked by which cloth mark HPV1 containing brown color powder in connection with NCV 9 Material Exhibit 4 is my signature. Material Exhibit 4 by 2 signature of Muhammad Hashim. It also contains signature of two independent witness and Learned CGM Guwahati. Material Exhibit 1 is sealed back pick used of containing morphine or with white cloth. Material Exhibit 1 is my signature. Material Exhibit 5(2) signature of Muhammad Hashim. It also contains signature of two independent witness and Learned CGM. Exhibit 6 is sample sent for SFL Guwahati in connection with CPS number so.
Just in the meantime, one question,
Yeah.
not for relating to my idea.
Yeah.
Suppose a way it is weighted, suppose 1.5 kg. How it is shown to be 1.5 kg?
Because it is at the time of seizure, normally they carry the that weighing machine also.
Okay, they weight this machine. Now in a seizure list, they write it, seized 1.5 kg.
Yeah.
Then it is signed.
And also sometimes the weight differs.
Mm.
There is a judgment of Honorable Supreme Court also with regard to weight also. It can be very with respect to
No,
the.
just not for any legal
No,
purpose.
Lordship.
Just I was thinking, suppose a weight is measured, that it is a scale.
Yeah.
Now that is to be recorded somewhere that
Yes.
is 1.5 kg
In seizure memo.
Huh?
In seizure memo.
in the seizure memo.
Yeah.
And that has been signed by the
What the accused
And,
the seizing of.
In presence of the independent witness.
Huh?
In presence of the independent witness. Seizure list must have to signed by the independent witness.
Material Exhibit 7 is a rampant sealed sample word by yellow sensor. I can identify the accused person present of the court. Rose, I have been working at NCB for last 6 years. I presently met my informer. So I presently met my informant. Team at 14%. Team went by office vehicle. There is no mention about the car which we went to railway station and its driver. I have not mentioned car number and name of driver. I have not mentioned about the name of the informer. How many passengers were sitting near the accused and in his post. I have not prepared any map of place of occurrence. I have not seized any garment found in the bag of the accused. I have not mentioned in Exhibit 9 if the accused knew English, and I verbally informed content thereof. I do not know Bengali. It is not a fact that the accused never wrote his confession. I have not taken signature of independent witness in Exhibit 10. We were not accompanied by any chemical expert. I tested the drug, but I went for training, but I have not produced any certificate of training. I do not know why IO did not know who approves to independent witness. It is not a fact that no description of fetching machine. I have not produced any authentic document of fetching skill by which I weighted the drugs later on. It is not a fact that my statement, I included 6 more persons later on. I have not produced any photocopy of drugs. It is not a fact that I have not seized any contraband from the accused. It is not a fact that there was no team with me and no weight the drugs and railway platform. In prose, if nothing has been come out, what they want to say.
The only thing is that 52. What do you say on that, Mr. That will be your ground that 52, that the stringent nature of 52 came at a later point of time.
Yes, but if there is a judgment to that effect also. But what if interestingly, these grounds were not taken in the ground. I prepared my case on the basis of ground taken in the memo of appeal.
That
And
can
I've-
be
I
taken
have-
up at the time for argument. of
No,
the
that can be taken, but Lord, is surprise to me. So I have not prepared on that point, Lord.
Last occasion I made that they have written down this.
No full-fledged argument was completed, even though Lord. And and 313 also. Lord.
What was exhibited? The sample
Samples and the material. is-
photograph.
No, no photograph. They
But
just
that they have taken photograph.
photograph, but that was not exhibited. They
I think
verbally
it's,
said that photograph was taken.
What was exhibited?
Only the material collected, this 1.5 gram morphine,
Hmm.
and then the sample that has been exhibited.
Lord,
But the-
Suppose 1.5 gram whole is exhibited. Will it be necessary for magistrate signature?
Yes, that is, I have this latest judgment I have placed before you all.
No, that is for a sample. So to exhibit, is not it?
As a primary evidence regarding 52A. For primary,
No, no,
to consider it as primary evidence,
Hmm.
even after producing the same. In that case also, these provisions must have to follow.
Not
Plus-
only for the sample.
Not only for entire, but along with the photographs. But, what inserted in the section.
with regard to exhibits, Lord, you will find it page 24 of the
Appeal memo.
memo of appeal. Lord. When a trial court has meticulously stated about all these things. Material exhibit,
What is the, which one is the material inventory?
Inventory here not exhibited.
Lordship, forwarding letter.
There is no inventory of the exhibit.
Exhibit is the search and search comes seizure list.
So you want to say when it is inventory, either inventory is to be prepared or sample is to be collected in presence of magistrate with
Even if as per one by guideline, standing order is that, even if at the spot, what is mentioned in the Mohanlal judgment, even it is in the spot, again, they have to produce this before the magistrate, and in presence of magistrate, that must have to certify. No application under 52A exhibited during this trial. A list of the exhibit mentioned in the judgment. Lord. And lordship judgment, it was reflected regarding to that regard, the Nuraga case is there. That is decided in the year 2008. Prior to this case. In there also 52A categorically discussed. Nuraga, I'm going to let him speak. Leasing officer also at no point of time required that he has made an application of prepared inventory in this.
Yes, Kal, that's
Lordship,
not, nothing more is required.
Lordship, with regard to that, Lordship, there are some judgments.
You give a note.
Lordship,
I am making it CAB before puja, I will deliver it.
tomorrow I'll give, tomorrow day after tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Nuraga lordship make, I can paste that.
And-
And lordship judgment is there regarding,
And Lordship, all the material exhibits were produced before the court and the learned CJM was signed. That is there.
Okay, you just have
I'll,
it.
I'll,
You just give a note
yes,
on your point. I have heard her. Before puja vacation, we'll
I'll-
deliver it.
within a day or two, Lordship, I'll.
should I compile this in place?
Yes, yes.
Compile it
Just give it by
tomorrow.
by Friday.
There may basic.
By not Friday, by Thursday.
Only-
Lordship, my learned friend's basic argument is the violation of section 52.
52 and 42. 42,
42,
that is the argument.
Regarding 42, Lordship, it is clear.
42.
42 2. Okay, you give the.
Yes, I'll do.
Last item. Hard CAB. Yes, Mr. Kamal. Some mentions to made that you are not.
Yes, in the morning I was a bit busy in, and he told me that,
Business depends.
my lord.
Business depends.
But actually, I inquired, they told me that no up-to-date case diary, so they will also seek time.
But adjournment was made on
Yes,
some
that-
other ground
Yes, that I was,
that you are not available.
no, I was not available in
In the
this court,
morning.
but I am available, my lord. Where will I go leaving your lordship?
I thought that.
No, my lord, not that.
I thought that more.
Oh, no, I have no other side of the question.
More busy. Nowadays, Planet Kenya is more busy.
No, not at all. Lordship is busy, na? To study and study.
So no part two list. Otherwise, you could
Oh,
have
then we
taken.
could have started part two.
And why you have bought this that much?
No, actually, we have come to meet.
No,
our-
not.
No, I and he came for
বিশ্বাস।
this.
Why you have bought that man? He should not have any business in.
No, today we have
He's
business
giving
with
facts.
him.
At
We
least
went to court number 13 as per his given address. Then that court rose, so we look for him.
he has respect to criminal
Yes, he-
criminal cases right now.
If
Yes.
I can take criminal matters, why not with them?
Right. Anyway, is
Okay,
in.
thank you.
Much obliged.
Problem.
बढिया आम्ही मग continue चालू.
मग आपण येत-
झालं ना?